A new iOS update is rolling out for iPhone mobile phones. This update is primarily for users in the United States. The version of the update is iOS 18.6.1. After installing this update, I'll share you whether there are any noticeable changes or issues after 24 hours of usage. The size of this update is 385.9 MB. I'm doing this update on the iPhone 16e. The description of the update shows that this update provides a new blood oxygen experience for Apple Watch 9 and 10 series and Apple Watch Ultra 2. The measurements are calculated on iPhone and viewed in the Health app. This update process takes anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes to complete. Since I don't have an Apple Watch to check these, you can share in the comment box if you have one. The software support for the iPhone 16 series is expected to last for approximately 6 years from the date of release. So until around 2031, we will continue receiving software updates for these models. Make sure your phone has enough charge before starting the update. Also, do not press any button once the updating process begins. Alright, after about 10 minutes, my phone was updated successfully. I used this phone for more than 24 hours before sharing this update. Coming to the noticeable changes, I didn't notice anything major. All the data and applications remained the same. No issues or glitches were observed. The battery idle drain is also similar to before, somewhere in between less than 5%. That's the quick update on the new iOS update for the iPhones, which is iOS 18.6.1. Don't forget to like this video. It helps YouTube push this video to many people like you. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.